Hello guys, I'm Dasby. I'm going to do a little video today about the platform Infinex. Wonderful platform that solves so many wallet problems, bridging, whole lots of things. A little disclaimer here, I am a Infinex patron, which I will explain later in upcoming videos, and I am also what's called a bozo, which is somebody who helps on the Discord. We're not moderators, we're just people in between, sort of the level below moderators. We help with the easier stuff. So yes, I use Infinex, but it's a wonderful platform, so I want to get this out to you. Today we're going to talk about starting up on the platform and also funding the platform. Nice and easy. We'll also do a quick look over the website. So here we go. Right, here we are on the website, Infinex.xyz. I will leave a link for this on the description. It's very straightforward. This is the home, obviously. We'll go into all of this later. Okay, two ways to start. Get started or sign up. Let's click get started. You choose a name. I'm Dasby. I've already got an account. So let's look at Dasby2. Create account. It's come up as create a passkey. Passkeys are a very important part of Infinex, and they're a level up from passwords. Mine is a Mac, so it is all over my ecosystem, so I can sign in on my phone, I can sign into my iPad. I believe Google had something the same. I'm not sure about Windows. If we need to go into passkeys more later, we will. Okay, so continue. This is my generic password for my system, not password for the Infinex account. So continue. So it's started up, it's setting up the wallet. It's preparing the vault. This will all make sense in a minute. Okay, non-custodial, so it's like Phantom, a wallet. Cross-chain, there's many chains on here. Ethereum, Berachain, Polygon, Solana, lots and lots of chains on there. Easy recovery, we'll go into that later on. Okay, let's hit enter. Right, we're into the homepage. So this is where all of your crypto and NFTs will be. This is the homepage, which gives you a guide of what everything is. Now, if you want to deposit into this, it's so simple. Deposit. You may have to set up a recovery wallet, which is just a wallet that it goes out to, but that actually, no, you won't. That is withdrawals. Okay, so this is my Solana address, and this is my Ethereum address. Same way as any other one, transferring really, but you only have to do it the once on here. Right, copied. You go over to your wallet, i.e. your Phantom wallet, whatever wallet you choose, and you just do a withdrawal into here. Okay, pretty straightforward. It will then come in to your wallet and it will show here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get out of this account and I'll go into my own personal account. One of my personal accounts. So excuse me for a minute. That way you can see a bit more. So this is also a good example. So log in, here we go. This is one of my main accounts. So once again, just my generic password for my Apple ecosystem. And I'm in. So what it's done is the generic password has allowed the passkey to open up the account. Right. So, as I said, wallet. So once you do your deposit, your wallet will show you what you have. I got a bit of synthetics, a bit of Bera, and a bit of lovely coin. My lovely coin, just to show what's going on here. What you can do, actually first, this is where you will do all your trading, sending. Should you not want to do that, and I will do it now, I'm going to move some to my vault, which is just like you can't touch that at all. So let's go. We'll go move. So it's from my wallet to my vault. What are we going to do? We're going to send our synthetics there. Max. Move. Bang. So once again, I've just said yes. Send the passkey. Done. Moving assets. Processing. Now, I don't have to stay here at the moment. I can go to move another asset, but I won't. Okay, so that's done. We should go over here now, and it should be in my vault. Here it is here. It's in my base vault, because it was a base token. So, in here, you've got your different chains as well, as you can see. So this is just another one up. Let's say you've got a stack of Ethereum or something. You don't want to leave it in your wallet. You can put it into your vault. Right. Very simple. Now Swidge is basically just a transfer. Very simple. So I want to switch. Let's see. What do we got? Bearer. Actually, no. Let's go. My lovely coin. And let's switch it to bearer. I want to do the max. Now these are two different chains, remember. My lovely coin is on Polygon and bearer is on bearer chain. So it's come up, it's saying switch. I hit switch. And it's doing the bridging in the background. Look at that. One click. You're not going from one wallet, then bridging, then another wallet, and waiting. I've waited for hours at times for stuff to bridge between. And there you go. Switch in progress. It's nearly done. There we go. That's complete. So now if I go over to my wallet, there you go. It's now in bearer. So I have just done a complete bridge from one to another in about 30 seconds. So simple. You're not mucking around with different wallets from different chains. You're not mucking around from like a Solana wallet to an EVM wallet. It is so simple. All your activity is in there, which you can see. Airdrops. There is, well, like anything, there's airdrops going on, but they look after it for you. We don't have to go and look for the airdrops. If it comes through, it'll go into here. What have we got? We've got a couple of Athenas, which I wasn't in. We got a refund of fees. The refund of fees is for people with who have the NFT patron, which is the backbone of the Infinex platform. Highly recommend getting one of them. I got 30,000 Pengu because I have a NFT patron. So that was just fantastic. Right, earn. Now this is really good too. At the moment, these are the different earning opportunities you have. Okay, let's say Jupiter was Sol. If you had some Jupe Sol, say in your Sol wallet somewhere, you transfer it in here, it automatically starts earning. You don't have to put it anywhere, it just starts earning. So up here, I got a very small amount of USDE. It's earning 4.99%. Now, that is a small amount, but that's just to show you that I haven't done anything at all. It's just automatically earning that because it's in my wallet or my vault. One other thing on here, which is a bit of a game at the moment, and I will do another video on this, is Bullrun. Very exciting game. It's very addictive, and I'll just show you this, but this is what we'll go into next time. If you have a minimum of $50 in one of your wallets, then you are entitled to play this game. I'm not doing too well. Look at that, ranked 21,580. The winner, not the winner, the current leader is on 1,116 points. I'll explain that more later. Okay, that is my first video and very brief. If there's any questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to go through it, and we will be bringing out more. That's about it. I'll also leave links for Infinex. Please, if you do join the Discord as well. You'll see me in there, and the people are so helpful. It really is a wonderful community. We just got BNB on board. We got Bitcoin chain. We really are going ahead. When I say we, I didn't build it, but it's very community orientated. They're pretty good, these guys. They know what they're doing. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this little video. See you soon.